So we're back looking at Autel EVO 2 8K footage, and this particular one is in a 4K timeline. So we're going to look at what it looks like when you export it in 4K, and we're comparing it to the Mavic Pro 2. Here's the Mavic Pro 2 shooting in 10-bit. So I think people are most interested in seeing how the EVO 2 stacks up next to the Mavic 2 Pro. Now I haven't gotten the 6K 1-inch sensor in stock yet, so we're comparing the Autel EVO 2 8K to the Mavic Pro 2 from DJI. There's a little bit of difference sometimes in the sun here, but I got it sort of close, so bear with me. When you're looking at the EVO, it's very clear and very sharp. The water seems really smooth. The telephone poles, the windows in the buildings have very straight, even, clean lines. They must have some sort of upscaling as well as noise reduction going on. With the Mavic Pro 2 in 10-bit, it looks very filmic. It doesn't look too digital. Here we're zoomed in 2 times. This is the EVO with 8K, and we're zoomed in 2 times on a 4K timeline. And this is the Mavic Pro 2 zoomed in 2 times on a 4K timeline. You're definitely starting to pick up some fuzz, but it still comes across as filmic. Here's the 2, one above the other, and you can really start to see some of the sharpness differences. We're punching in 4 times, and if you pay particular attention to the graffiti on the bridge right there that says Ninja Style, you can much more easily see what it says, including the opus. On the Mavic, you can't really see what it says. Also, pay attention to the cars. The cars have much more definitive outline on the EVO 2 than they do on the Mavic Pro 2. There you can see what I'm talking about when I mean that there must be some noise reduction going on the EVO, and some upscaling, as if you read the City of Austin power plant, it's not perfect text. But pay particular attention to the way the people look on the bridge. You can make out the railings on the bridge, and you can much more clearly see people who are walking on the bridge. On the Mavic, you can't really see any of the railing on the bridge, and look at the water in particular. So when I say that there's some cleanup going on digitally, it seems really apparent in the water that it's much more smooth. Pay attention to the stoplights. The stoplights are cleanly visible in the Autel, and you can barely tell what the stoplights are on the Mavic. Look at the trees over here to the left. You can very easily see each individual tree stump, and on the Mavic it's much more it's much fuzzier and a lot less pronounced. Anyways, I hope that gives you some indication how it compares to the Mavic 2 Pro right off the bat. I'm going to be uploading a lot of these, so feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see when they get uploaded right away. I'm going to be diving in a little bit more to see how these two compare, and also how it compares to the Mavic Air. Let me know what sort of things you guys want to see in the next video and how you want to compare.